Hello kids, welcome to my video. Kids, let's learn to 2D shapes. Kids, first colors name: light pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, orange color, sky blue color, green color, black color, pink color, blue color and green color, light green color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, heart, pentagon, cylindrical. Kids, cylindrical. Rectangle. Rounded square. Circle. Kids, circle. Color fill, kids: light green color, light green color, heart, light pink color, kids, pentagon, yellow color, cylindrical, yellow color, cylindrical, this color, kids, red color, rectangle, and this color, kids, sky blue color, kids, rounded square, last color, kids, brown color, circle. Kids, shapes name repeat: